Hello YouTube, this is my very first video and I wanted to just go over all the stuff that I've bought. This is like a vegan slash vegetarian. I try to eat more of a vegan diet. My husband eats more of a vegetarian diet. So I just wanted to go over and show you kind of my first little haul here to show you what I've gotten and tell you what I plan to do with it. So let's get started. So we'll start with the produce, the fresh produce. I have just a regular bag of red potatoes. I try to buy the organic ones, but they did not have any organic ones that looked good, so I didn't get those. Just regular potatoes. I did get some fresh Brussels sprouts, organic cauliflower, bananas, organic whole carrots, cucumber, broccoli, some bell peppers, and some tomatoes, and then just some regular baby Bella mushrooms, asparagus, and then some baby spring mix, organic. And one of my favorite meals is to take all of my fresh produce, especially the mushrooms, the broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, the Brussels sprouts, and potatoes, and I like to roast those up in the oven with some different spices, and I'll go through that in future videos on how I do some of these recipes. Then moving on, we also have some cereal, which this is, oh yes, here we go. That is vegan. It's not wanting to focus. There we go. And so not too bad, but really good when you need this for on like your yogurt or just a bowl of cereal at night when you have the munchies. Just cranberry juice. Not really wanting to focus. There we go. And then on to the drink section here. I like sparkling beverages, so I got the Izzy Sparkling Clementine, and I've never tried this before, but this is just the Simple Truth organic coconut water, mango flavored. So yeah, not too bad. So I'm gonna try that. And then these are my favorite. I love these. These are the prickly pear and orange. And oh my gosh, they're so good. I love to have those with my lunches or dinner or just whenever. I know they're probably not the healthiest thing to drink, but you know, can't be perfect all the time. And then I have, I've not tried this before, so I'm going to try this Silk Almond Creamer for coffee. And then I have just almond milk, unsweetened vanilla. I'm sure everyone knows what that is. That's the kind that I always like to buy. And then these are also new to me. I've not ever tried these. The Beet 1 balsamic vinegar and sea salt. So, going to try those and see what they taste like. And then these are my favorite Laura bars. These are the peanut butter and chocolate chip. And these are the best ones, I feel like. I've tried a lot of them. These are my favorite. And then also when I make my mixed roast vegetables, I like to pair it with some sort of quinoa, brown rice, sometimes white rice. Sometimes I will also just mix it with some whole grain pasta. And then I make a tahini lemon juice. And what else do I put in there? Just tahini, lemon juice, and maple syrup. I mix that together with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then I pour it on top of the vegetables with the rice or whatever I'm pairing it with that night. But a really simple meal that I have often. I've been actually having it a lot lately. And then also, I did get some of this dark pumpernickel bread, and this is also vegan, I believe. There was no, see, the focus, did not see any Yeah, I think vegan. And this as well. My husband likes these buns, just the Healthy Life whole wheat buns. And then also for a quick meal, we will roast up some red potatoes with some rosemary and olive oil, and then we will sometimes just throw in a can of vegetarian baked beans and make that a meal. Now, these are more for my husband. He is not completely vegan. He still has some cheese and dairy from time to time, and I do as well. I'm working on it. As soon as I can find a cheese that I love, I'll be able to give up cheese, but I have not found it yet. But anyways, these are good if you're just vegetarian. And then also these corn gourmet burgers, meatless and soy-free. Not the healthiest, you know, but in a pinch, they work great. And then this is my absolute favorite dessert. I have this, I go through one of these a week. This is the chocolate cookies and cream cashew milk, so delicious. It really is so delicious. Here are the nutrition facts, if it'll, there we go. It's half a cup, just 180 calories. So, you know, for an ice cream, that's really not bad. And yeah, it's really good. Okay, and then also I have bought a big, huge box, big, that's my hand. It's a big box bag of blueberries. And then I have those in my oatmeal. Then I just needed some corn. And then when I am too lazy to make my lunch, I like to have these at work in the freezer. And this one is really good. I've had it before. So, and just to let you know how I plan out all of my meals, here's everything. I make my grocery list, and then I put my grocery list on this side, and then I put the meals that I'm planning out on this side. So this week we are having pizza, and I put the pizza, I'll show you, on these that I got at Aldi's. The Fit and Active flatbread. I like kind of pre-cook these in the oven so they get a little bit crispy. And then I just toss on some pizza sauce, any kind, whatever kind you like. And these are, don't believe contain any milk. Nope, looks like these are also vegan. And then I put you know, like just a tiny bit of cheese on there, and then I load it up with vegetables. I usually like to put pineapple, olives, peppers, onions, and mushrooms. So yeah, that's a really quick meal. And also, like I said, we will be having potatoes and beans. We'll do a stir fry. We'll have maybe the nuggets. I'll usually have vegetables on the side instead of the nuggets. And then the burgers, those again for my husband, but I do these corn. I just found these and I was really excited. These vegan spicy chicken patties that Corn started making, and they are really, really good. They're not too spicy, just a little spicy, and yeah, I like those a lot. And then here's another example of just some frozen meals. This one is really good. The SoCal kale and bean. And then yeah, so anyways, for breakfast I'll probably be having oatmeal, and then I'll probably do maybe like some just peanut butter with the pumpernickel toast. And then for snacks, I usually will just have the Laura bars and then do like an apple or banana, something along some sort of fresh fruit if I can. So yeah, anyways, that is my grocery haul, my first video, my first intro to YouTube. So take it easy on me, YouTube, and I will see you guys later. Bye.